Today we're going to go over the features and benefits for the 2011 T570. The T570 is kind of the entry-level touring sled for the Arctic Cat. It comes with the 570 fan, carbureted sled. It has the standard gauge in it with a taller touring windshield on it. No mirrors on it, just the taller windshield. It does have push-button reverse located here on it. It comes with the standard shocks. You see the black and white paint scheme on the T570. It also has the snow punched running boards for ease of snow removal when you're riding, so you don't get snow built up on the running boards. It does have a removable rear seat. This rear seat can be removed by pulling a lever in the back. The seat can be taken out for added storage if you want to put a bag in here or something like that. You want to add more storage when you're going on longer trips, like you've done in the back. The T570 comes with a 1-inch track and hand grips for your passenger. Like I said, kind of a basic entry-level touring sled, 570 carb for the sled. Again, this is Jeff. These are the features and benefits for the 2011 T570 Tour. Thank you.